normally do, if I'm in an area that don't have truck parking, one of my things is satellite images from our phones. You know, you just pull up a satellite image and you look around the surrounding areas. And what I'm usually looking for is industrial areas. Usually industrial areas, there's a lot of room for trucks. And I'm looking for buildings that say for lease, buildings that say for sale, places I know there's no business there. No, they got dock doors. I usually pull in there and bump a dock, and I just get up in the next morning and leave. So far, I've never been ran off. The thing about it is, a lot of places you deliver to, they have truck parking for their guests. But a lot of places I go to, I mean, I've got places in Chicago, in Atlanta, a lot in Dallas, Fort Worth area, that anytime I go to a place and I can park, I usually drop a pin on my map, and that way if I'm in the area again, I pull up my map and I can see all the pins where I can know I can park. I mean, I got one place almost downtown Chicago, plenty of parking, but unless you know about it, you just don't know about it.
With my experience of driving trucks on the road, and especially as a female, whenever I cannot find parking at a truck stop, I would go ahead and call ahead at some of the truck stops in my route and see if they have any empty spaces available. I definitely check to see if they have any reserved spots available, because often people don't want to pay for parking, and you possibly can pay for a reserved spot before you get to the truck stop. They get pretty crowded late at night, so you want to try to reserve a spot early in the day so that you can make sure that you have somewhere to park for that night. If that doesn't work, you can also find a high industrial area that has warehouses, because usually they will have truck parking on the streets around those warehouses. But that's my advice on finding a place to park when you're out there on the road.
I know that parking for a big truck is an issue these days because there are more and more trucks. I have parked in places, you know, of cards on the table. Walmart is one of my favourite go-to places if there's no parking. Some places will let you park there, and you know, and I buy my groceries there when I'm there as well. So I don't feel like I'm getting something for free. You really need to pre-plan your parking. We stick to the same routes that we try to go to, and we know that certain places will be filled up early. I like to park in a lot of the rest areas because a lot of them you pull in and it's a 45-degree angle when you're parking, and so the truck can pull in and then pull out. There tends to be a lot of accidents and a lot of damage is caused in truck stops. So if I'm going to be parking overnight, I try to get into a rest area rather than a truck stop.